Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to turn this cheap, inexpensive white tile that you can get at Lowe's for 15 cents and turn it into a Valentine's coaster. Let's get going. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and place the coaster in the glow forge. Just try to center it up here. Make sure it's straight. Close that up and we'll go over to the computer. Okay, now we're going to use Google search to find the file that we want to use for the coaster. We're going to type in, the best type of files are coloring book files. So we're going to go into Google, we're going to search for Valentine's coloring book. Okay. We're going to go over here to images. And we got to go down here and look for the right image. You want to get a square one since it is square. It's 4 inches by 4 inches. Alright, for this one we're just going to use something simple. We're going to take this Kiss Me, Love You, Be Mine. I'm going to go ahead and right click on it. And I'm going to say Save Image As. And we'll just save it right there. It's going to go into my downloads. I'm going to go ahead and open up the Glowforge app. I'm going to hit create. I'm going to upload from file. I'm going to go to my downloads, find the file that we just saved. There it is in the Glowforge, and there is the tile in the middle. And we're just going to go ahead and crop this down a little bit so it fits on there. Maybe make it just a little bit bigger. Go up here and hit set focus right on the middle of the tile. Let it do its thing. Alright, now that it's focused, we're focused on it. We're just going to move this up a little bit. Okay, got it centered in there pretty well. I'm going to go over here to settings, going to hit engrave. And I'm going to do tile, which I have this set at 1000 speed, full power, 225 lines per square inch. So we're going to go ahead and use that. Hit the print button and go over to the Glowforge. Turn on my fan. Hit the start button. This is going to take about 15 minutes to print this off. Okay, now we'll remove it. And see if you can see that on there. It might be a little hard to see here in the shadow. I can get it out here a little bit. You can see it definitely etched across there. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and show you how to make that stand out. Alright, this is where the magic happens. You can use any magic marker on this. You can probably use paint, but magic marker dries quicker. I've got a paint marker that I got from Michael's. This is a pink one. I think that'll work well with the Valentine's theme. You can also use black. You can put any color that you want on here. You can do different colors, more than one color. I'm just going to go ahead and use this pink though real quick. You just want to make sure you get it in all of the engraving. Let's get on there real thick. down all the places that you want it to show up. I'll let that dry for a minute. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some alcohol. I'm going to go ahead and soak up the paper towel with some alcohol on it. And I'm going to just wipe off the extra paint that's on it. Extra marker, extra paint, whatever. You can go over this a couple times if you're not happy with how it turns out here. Make it a little bit darker. But with alcohol, that rubs off there real easy. Get all the excess off of there that you don't want showing up on there. Alright. Turned out pretty good. I'll go ahead and turn it over. Alright, now on the bottom of the towel, we're just going to put some little felt dots, self-sticking dots around the outside of it here. And there you have it. Alright, well, thank you for watching. If you like this video or any of the other videos, just hit like and subscribe. You guys have a good day. Thank you.